SNN Weather First with meteorologist Ryan Averill.
How you doing, Suncoast? Looking behind me, but you notice that mess of a frontal system over there. That is a stalled out front, so now it's a stationary front. Panhandle of Florida, northern counties have a chance for consistent rain. There are even counties just a little bit north of us that have a chance for localized flooding. Pasco and Hernando County, so if you're traveling through there, going north to there, definitely keep in mind if you see any large puddles or any areas of flooding. Turn around, don't drown. There's also a lot of upper air moisture, so that means we have the chance of afternoon thunderstorms development along with a lot of humidity out there. So when you have upper air disturbance with this mixing with that frontal system to the north, there's actually a good chance, around 60-80% chance of having some rain and storm development in the center of the state. I'd say from around Orlando, a little bit north, all the way down to the bottom of the state. They got 60 to 60% chance of rain. Around the coastline, more around 30-40%. But at the center of the state, because of all that mixing, that heating is going on, the chance of actually some severity going on. You're looking about 40-50 mile per hour winds, and if it does develop with some intensity, any urban areas in the center of the state can also have some urban area flooding. So if you are traveling across the middle of the state or going up to Hernando or Pasco County today, definitely need to keep that in mind. There will be possibly some flooding possibilities today. Also, some intense showers might also be occurring later in the day as we start getting heating. As far as our temperatures, they will be warm, and you can really see how those warm temperatures in the middle of the state can really be quite a bit warmer than along the coastline, and that extra heat can really be all it needs for those afternoon thunderstorms, those sea breezes to move in there, get the extra heat, and develop into a thunderstorm. So coastline has a little bit less chance. They're going to be having highs on the coast of 84 in Sarasota, while inland you're looking at 89 in Fort Ogden. Nationally, might be looking forward to this large pocket of clear air. We're not really going to be encountering that pocket of clear air because we have another frontal system behind that pocket already starting to develop, and that's going to be moving towards us, trailing over there. And this stationary front is going to be quite persistent even going into the weekend. It is still going to be hanging around. We have a deep trough that is dipping in the center of the country, but it's not quite going into where that stationary front is, so it's not going to be pushing out, moving out of the way. We're in a large ridge, and when you're in a ridge, things are very persistent, kind of stay the status quo. So that's what we can be expecting for the weekend, is very similar weather. And you can look at our 7-day forecast. Things look very similar until Sunday. That's when that cold front starts moving through. Going to first be bringing some breezy winds up to 20 miles an hour as it passes over. Then after that, increased rain chances and just a little bit of a dip in temperatures.